Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. That's what I do. We got this one. This is Tsuyu Udon from Samyang Foods of South Korea. You might be like, wait, everything they make is spicy, isn't it? No, they make all sorts of food. All sorts of noodle types. It's amazing. Yeah. They actually make a lot of different kinds. There we go. And we got 4 minutes. So what are we going to do for 4 minutes? I don't know. What do you want to do? Push this down a little bit. And turn the music down a little bit. So let's see. So the battle of the shoes is continuing. We're in these old sandals right now. They're not bad, but man, those frickin' Skechers did a number on my left foot. There's a movie called My Left Foot. I wonder if it has to do with wearing uncomfortable shoes. I don't know. I believe it has the famous actor Gerard Depardieu in it. I don't even... That's like an era of film that I know nothing about. Film! Let's talk about film. So... There's that new Endgame movie. I know nothing about it. Don't even try to engage me in conversation about it. The thought that my wife and I had was there's, I guess, a whole bunch of Avengers movies, so we'll watch them all, then watch that. So we'll get the whole deal. We did that with, what was it, Fast and Furious? So I'd never seen any of them. She's like, really? You haven't seen that one or that? No. Haven't seen a single one. It's like, I don't drive. Why would I be into race cars? But... yeah, so, but it's fun. I'm gonna get into new shoes today, I think. I think that's the plan. Me and Mimi went out walking today. Weather is really, really freaking nice right now. It's like 71. It says it's 71, but honestly, I think when you're just like surrounded by concrete, I think it's a little bit warmer, but and when you're walking fast, all that feels a bit warmer, but yeah, that was fun. And I don't know, other things go on and happen all the time. A buddy of mine that I've known for years stopped by last night. What up? Used to go by Sore Eyes on ICQ. ICQ was like MSN Messenger, which is like Facebook Messenger. ICQ though is like a really old one. You can find me at my ICQ number 6152480. Yep. And yeah, when you send a message or receive a message, it would go, uh-oh. Horribly irritating. I mean, you could change it, but, you know, it was ridiculous. Anyways. But yeah, shout out to Sore Eyes, dude. Thanks for bringing over the barbecue and the brews. That was nice. Like, I haven't had a beer since the last time he was here, and he hasn't been here in, like, over a year, I think, so that was cool. BS'd about where I used to live and where he lives now, Anacortes, Washington. It's an interesting place, full of very interesting people and very interesting things that when I was growing up was absolutely uninteresting. Completely uninteresting. But now we have something interesting here. We have some noodles. So what I'm gonna do is you're supposed to put the stuff into this, but I figure why make that extra step? We'll just put this right into the pot of pouring. There we go. You want to see? Let's make sure you can see. This is the important part. Alright, so we've got 2 sachets. We've got this liquid one with the whole thing of not showing the contents in the post itself and making you have to watch this video. Here you go. There are your sachet contents of the wet sachet. Alright. Give that a swizzle. That smells good. It smells kind of like just like straight up fried things. I'm pretty sure I had the pack version of this thing like a week or 2 ago. It all becomes a blur. Here's the flake. Mostly green onion, it looks like. On a boatload of sesame seeds. Alright. So that looks nice. Let's give it a try. So they're calling this udon. The noodle. This just looks like standard Samyang fare. Not like extra thick. Oh yeah. Broth. That's groovy. I really like that. Try another smallish bite. Groovy. I think it's time for our good cherished friend Rotato. And we need a bowl, and we're going to use the funky fresh, oddly shaped bowl. Because I love any chance I get to use this bowl, and it seems only fitting to use it with Korean stuff. I don't know why, but it just has a certain thing to it. Let's add the soup and noodle. An egg. Oh, egg. What are you doing to me, egg? Yeah, that didn't go so well. Huh. That's, yeah. I think that's what we're ending up with. A little bit of chili flake extra. Power vested in me. I activate Rotato. Alright, folks. This is a good one. If you can find this, definitely go get it. It's their Tsuyu Udon. Yeah. I like this. And you know what? Just because I'm that kind of guy. Better? Had to have a little something. Yeah, that's better. Alright. Have a good one. Bye.